So extreme flavors, we covered this in a blog. We have a few extreme flavors coming out this year. So what do? They create a buzz. When your customers give you some free marketing, they love the name, they love the style flavor you did, and they'll take a picture of it, they'll post it, they'll tag you. All that's free marketing for you. All of that works in your favor and creates more of an experience for your customers, not just a delicious flavor. That's what we want. We want to grab the attention of the customer. We gave them something delicious to hang on to, keeps them coming back for repeat business, and just adding that much more experience to your place, your products, and the things you offer. All right, so we're rounding about the end of this batch here. You could come look up here and see it's starting to get a shape to it, get the looking cold and fluffy. And we got about another minute or two here, and then we're ready to take it out and add the chocolate chips as it comes out. It's expanding. It's almost done here. We're actually going to test it out a little bit. Yeah, I'd give it that one more minute and we should be good, even though that looks delicious. All right, so our timer is off. It looks to be about done. We're going to shut off for refrigeration. Wait for our light to shut off here. Got our chocolate chips. Just put a little bit at the bottom there, just a little bit. And then we're going to let it come out. I'm going to let it come out slow. I'm not going to turn up the speed. So I want to add in the chips as it's going. And we'll just push it around. It's important to know if you need a little break, you can always shut the machine, shut your dasher, do a little smoothing action. Add a little more chocolate chips. And I do want to fill the bucket just a little bit more. So dasher back on. I'm going to push what's left up in our fill mouth here. We're going to push that in. Just aim it towards the hole there. We want to stick our spatula in, we'll lose it. Okay, and then back to just get a little more in the bucket here. Shut. All right, shut this off. Nice and full, nice and smooth. Put that off in there. And we're gonna bring it to the table. And just to top it off, we're gonna do a little bit of chocolate chips right on top. Give it that nice look. Look at that. Beautiful. You got a nice cream mint chocolate chip. And I'll take it to the team and see what they think. Remember, extreme flavors creates buzz, free marketing from your customers, give it a neat name, a cool name, and you're off to build some more profits and gain more customers. We'll see you next time.